Daddy, do you know when Dad sent a video and he said that's funny, Daddy?
Ang kulit mo, Igo. Why did you run?
Why? He's like
Is here that...
Magkasama tayo, so nandito po kami sa train station. We're going to, I don't know. Kailan? Sali? Halat Cone? Curve.
going to Korea.
Harot ko.
Take a photo.
You have no better. No? No,
Echo. What's the weather today? Echo. What's the weather? Okay.
Four. And go! Isabella wins. Wait, Igo, stop.
Again, Martin.
That's the map, Igo.
Is this how Bluey sees on the crate, Daddy? When she cannot help us.
Who's the winner? Just get Gummy. Gummy. Go. Boom! Boom!
Igo!
Superpower. I'm tired. No. Nagpo-photoshoot kami.
Sino? Igo, come. One, two, three. Yay! Sunset.
Sunchart.
At least Tito Rolly.
Get in you.
At least Tito Rolly took a picture of the interview.
Paano kay Aljur? Nice. Ganda.
Here.
Arya, let's wait for your parents. Isabel, stop.
Ay, nako.
Chicken, banana.
Ano yung mga foods niya ito?
Rolly, Tim Tam.
Hi! Ay, naubos na yung Tim Tam. Meron akong ano, peanuts. Meron tayo dito iba. Ito.
Ayun o.
Crackle.
Oh, di ba?
Exercise para itong
Okay.
trip na to, no?
Sorry.
Daddy over here, and now he's sitting.
One,
Okay, come closer.
one,
The kids.
Bella.
Arya,
One.
go.
one.
Ay, video pala eh.
Yeah, but
Hello.
picture in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Kids, wait!
So you can touch the water. Look out.
O, hulaan tayo ng sasabihin ni Ate Wing sa mga video na to, ha?
Ikaw, I miss you.
O, ano sasabihin ni Ate Wing? Ha? Kids, don't die.
Atong, bakit ayaw mo isuot yung bag?
Here, go, stand here, stand here.
My other hand is holding something.
Stand only. Look at the sun, look at the sun.
O, Matilda pose, Matilda pose.
No!
Matilda pose, Matilda.
Let's do it. Everyone,
Tara
come
na!
here.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Hello.
Hi!
Hi, we are...
Give it to you.
Chico, don't do that.
Dude, I'm wearing my hat wrong. Man, is Kiko behind?
Hello.
Is Kiko behind me?
Markley, look once.
Never give up. That's the rule in this game.
Do you have a message for Rafa in Israel?
Yes.
What is it?
Never give up.
Hi.
Welcome to the mountain from Hot.
There's a hanging bridge there.
Thank you for our trip. The end.
And thank you for
Hindi yun ang tinuro ko eh.